Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The birth of silver and paper money. Story. From stone were born silver and paper, that is, paper money and metallic currency. And Olófin said, "They will come to love this more than they love me." Note, the curse for money was born. Because of money, death will come. Oaths must not be broken, and business dealings must be divided equally. Financial seriousness is born, at the cost of life. They do not cry, nor do they lament for anything. They do not deceive anyone. They live apart. People are not sincere with them. The Babalawo must not hoard money, because it causes delays in his life. And when he dies, he cannot leave an inheritance to his children. It is born that only during the Ita and Iyoye of Ifa should a basin, palangana, be brought to the table by the apatabi. After all the Awas have washed their hands and deposited money into the basin, the apetabi carries the basin to where the Aba prays over it. The apetabi will take from that water as much as she can. Through this she will gain 16 years of life. The money that the apetabi earns must only be used for risa,